Welcome. In this video we will see reversing an Android application. Android applications are simply an achieve file of data and resources. Even then, we can't simply unzip the achieve manager and get the readable resources. For these scenarios, we have to rely on tools that will convert the bytecode, that is classes.dex, into readable source code. One of the approaches to convert bytecodes to readable files using a tool called Dex2jar, the .dex file is converted Java bytecode to Dalvik bytecode, making it optimized and efficient for mobile platforms. This free tool converts the DX file present in Android application to a corresponding .jar file. First, we have to download Dex2jar file. For that, I'll Google for Dex2jar. The first link is of SourceForge. It's better if you download it from SourceForge itself only. As I've already downloaded Dex2jar file, so I'll cancel it and unzip the Dex2jar file which I have already downloaded. Here is the Dex2jar file which I had downloaded. Let me unzip it. I'll unzip it to desktop. As Dex2jar, it is here. Make sure this is how Dex2jar file looks. I'll just cut and paste it on desktop to access it easily, and I will rename it as Dex2jar so that it becomes easy for me to access it on terminal. Now I need APK to do reverse engineering. I'll search for random APK by searching for APK download from this site, that is apkpure.com. I'll go to this random app, that is ZCamera APK, and I'll just download it. Any APK will work for you. I've just chosen one random APK. I'll just fast forward the video so that the download complete. So here is the APK. I'll just copy and paste it on desktop. I'll rename it as test.zip so that I can extract it. The file is now .zip format. Now I will extract it using WinRAR. I've extracted it. So here is the test folder. Here I want classes.dex file. So here it is. I'll just copy it up and paste it inside Dex2jar. Now I will convert this classes.dex file into jar file. For that, I will open up terminal first. Now I will change directory to Dex2jar, that is cd Dex2jar. To convert classes.dexe file into jar file, I'll just type the command, that is d2j dex2jar.bat space classes.dex and hit on enter. It takes few minutes to convert into jar file. Just wait for it. It's complete. Now open Dex2jar file. Now you will sure find a jar file and make it sure the size of Dex2jar file is somewhat near to the classes.dex file. If the jar file is 0 KB, means you have not did it properly. Do it again. If the jar file is 1 MB more than DX file, then you had did it properly. I'll just cut and paste it on desktop here. So now we have successfully converted DX file into jar file. Now we have to take a look into this jar file. For that, we need to install JD, that is Java D compiler. For that, I'll search for Java D compiler and download from the first link. Mine is Windows, so I'll opt for Windows operating system. So here it is. I've downloaded it. That is JDGUI. I've just unzipped it before itself only. So I'll just copy and paste this JDGUI on desktop and run this JDGUI. Now I'll just drag and drop jar file into Java D compiler. It's here. Now I can explore all the files inside it and study on almost all of the Java classes which are present in that application. So that's all about reversing an Android application in this video. Thank you for watching this video.